welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Jamie and today I'm going to give you a full walk around video on this 2018 Subaru Outback. Now we'll start off at the front of the vehicle, we'll run you through the condition and also some of the features as well. Now as you can see, being the 2018, really nice front end that the actual car has. I mean, it is very similar to the previous models. You do get your fog lights fitted down the bottom. You also get those really nice stylish headlights and you get the nice daytime running light that actually goes around the headlight from the top to the bottom as well, which really sets off the front of the vehicle. As you can imagine, for a 2018 car, there are no major stone chips or anything on the front of the vehicle. Presents really well. We'll come around and we'll look at our first alloy wheel. As you can see, nice design that Subaru's gone with here. Sort of that dark grey colour with also the polished alloy as well. And as you can see, that's pretty much an unmarked wheel as well. You do have really good tread left on these tyres too, which is always good. We'll keep working our way down the vehicle. As you can see, you do get colour-coded exterior mirrors and the colour-coded door handles as well. You get the blacked out side skirts with the Outback badging in there as well, the chrome Outback badging. Taking a look inside the actual vehicle itself, I mean, as you can imagine, being a 2018, you're going to expect it to present well, and as you can see, it really does. So all the seats are in fantastic condition. The door seals and the door trim, you do get the Subaru scuff plate as well, which is always good, so you don't actually scratch the paint. And then of course, where you open the door and we get lazy and kick it open, real minimal wear there as well, which is always good. Now, I do believe the windows have been tinted, which by the looks of things it has. So if you're looking to get that down in the future, previous owners spent the money and got it done, which is going to obviously save you a bit of money down the track. Working our way down the vehicle, coming to that second alloy wheel now. Again, looks like another unmarked alloy wheel with, again, pretty much this exact same tread on the front tyre, so good tread there as well. You do get the fuel door on the driver's side, so if you do need to fill up, at least you'll know that's where to fill up. Now I will mention there is a couple scratches on the actual driver's side here itself, but other than that, that side presents really well. Now coming to the back of the vehicle now, you will see that you do have the chrome badging. You also do get a factory reverse camera. You get a high mount stoplight and you also get the rear windscreen wiper as well. Now taking a look in the back of the vehicle, the Outbacks are known to have really good boot space, which you can see it does have. You do have all the genuine floor mats there as well. Taking a look under here, you do also get a full-size spare wheel with your jack and tools as well, which again, this one doesn't look like it's been used and it's always good. Now, we'll put the door down and work our way down the passenger side of the vehicle. As you notice, the paintwork on this vehicle is in really good condition. Your third alloy wheel looks like another unmarked alloy wheel. Yep, that just comes right off, just a bit dirty, again with a really good tyre as well. Now working our way down, I will be picky for you guys. It does look like there's a tiny little mark just down here. Being a 2018, nothing too inconsistent with the age of the vehicle. Keep working our way down. As you can see, unmarked doors, really good condition with really good paintwork as well. And then getting to that fourth and final wheel now, as you can see, another unmarked wheel with a good tyre. So as you can see guys, with the exterior condition of the vehicle, and that's meaning the tyres, the wheels and also the paintwork, really good job and kept well by the previous owner. Alright guys, taking a look underneath the bonnet. So what we have here is a 2.5 4-cylinder petrol engine. Now this is a boxer engine, so just to give you a quick rundown on what a boxer engine is, where in your normal engine the pistons run vertically, the boxer engine actually runs the pistons horizontally, so they do go side to side, and that actually just gives, the main benefit is the engine sits lower. As you can see, the oil filter is easier to get to as well. It just gives the car an overall really nice drive as well. Now you do get 129 kilowatts with this vehicle and also 235 newton meters of torque. You do get a 7-speed CVT transmission that this car will also run on, it does have a 60-litre capacity tank that you can run on 91 or above. Now the good thing about this engine, or the attractive thing, is the fuel consumption. So it does average around 7.3 litres to the 100k. So out of that 60-litre tank, and this on an average of fuel, you're going to get 822 kilometres from that full tank of fuel. Alright guys, now taking a look inside the interior of the Outback. We'll stay off at the driver's side door, is where you have all your power window controls. Now the driver's window is automatic and that's up and down. You also have all your central locking and then your button to lock the windows as well. Now just above you have your mirror controls, and then you also have a button here as well to actually fold in the mirrors. So if you are parking on the side of the road or in a tight space, you do need to fold the mirrors in, you do have that option there as well. Now behind the steering wheel is where you have your traction control button. You also have your start stop button as well, so when you come to complete stop, the car will turn itself off to save emissions and also fuel. You can turn that off and on though. You have your lane departure warning, and then also your front end mitigation warning as well. Now you do have your headlight adjuster and also your brightness adjuster for the center cluster. On the right hand stalk is where you have your indicators, your fog lights and also your headlights. You can just leave it on auto and it'll do all the work for you. And on the left hand stalk is where you have your front and rear windscreen wipers, and they're also automatic as well. And on the steering wheel, as you can imagine, pretty much a brand new steering wheel with only 22,000 kilometers on the odometer. You wouldn't expect anything less. On the right hand side is where you've got a couple really cool features. So where you have your cruise control, you have adaptive cruise control in this vehicle as well. You also have your lane keep assist as well. Lane change assist, and then you have your sport and normal mode as well. So sport mode obviously going to give you a bit more power, and then your normal driving mode is just going to be obviously like driving the car normally. On the left hand side is where you have all your media controls, your Bluetooth controls down the bottom, and then a couple buttons here just to flick through the main screen. Now working across into the, that was the main screen in the cluster, working into the main screen, as you can see, actually a really nice display, actually really vibrant colors as well. It does have AM/FM radio, USB, Bluetooth and AUX. You do also get CD, which they've kept in there, which is always good, and you do actually have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Now there is actually a really nice reverse camera that does actually have the indication lines to show you where you're going. Down below is where you have all your climate control settings. So it is dual zone climate control, so you can set 2 different temperatures for the driver and the passenger. You have a nice storage compartment down here which has your 12-volt socket, USB and AUX, and then you have your automatic gearbox as well. Now you can drive it as a normal automatic, or you can put it across to what they call the sport shift, and you actually notice that the lines in the actual, or the lights in the actual center cluster actually change to this sort of reddish orange color, and that's when you're actually in the sports mode. So you can actually shift through the gears with the paddles on the back of the steering wheel itself as well. Do have your downhill ascent control. You do also have your electronic handbrake, and you have your 4x4 mode as well. Now you do get 2 nice cup holders with the actual little part you can take out to fit bigger cups in there as well, and they are spring loaded, so you can fit bigger and smaller cups in there while you have that piece in there too, which is always good. Nice leather wrapped armrest which is quite soft, and then inside the actual armrest itself, as you can see, 2 little compartments. You have the little compartment and then the bigger center console with a 12-volt socket in there as well. Now taking a look in the back of the vehicle is where you have, as you can see here, there is actually another 2 USBs, and then you've got the 2 air vents in the back as well. Now I'm just going to get the camera person to pan around the interior, show you the condition of the vehicle, just to show you how well it does present. I mean, 22,000 kilometers on the odometer, you would expect nothing less. And then once we're done doing that, we'll jump outside the car and wrap up the video. So hopefully that's given you a really good representation of not only the condition but also some of the features as well. Now the couple of things I'd like to talk to you about before I go: this car will qualify for our premium mechanical protection plan, so of course it does come with the manufacturer's warranty, but if you do see yourself owning this vehicle for a longer time past the manufacturer's warranty, we can extend it for an additional 5 years, up to 200,000 kilometers of mechanical and electrical protection, unlimited claims up to $3,600 per claim, and also 10 years of premium roadside assist. The other thing I'd like to talk to you about is the glass coat that we offer on this vehicle as well. It's going to give you a lifetime warranty on the paintwork of the vehicle and unlimited claims on that product as well. Now of course it is an additional cost, but if you do use our in-house finance, Julie and Mario, business managers, will actually show you, once you package it with the car, how minimal it actually affects the payment. Now, last thing before I go, with a 4.8 star rating on Google, with over 990 reviews from our Australia-wide customers, not only can you be assured you're buying a fantastic car, but you're also dealing with the right people and the right dealership as well. Number to call, 99070555. My name is Jamie and thank you for watching.